So just gonna have a quick training run up Penny Fan, back down again. It's pretty gnarly conditions. There's gale force winds, it's blowing, there's snow. I don't know what else to say. It's cold, it's minging, but let's go and do it. See you in a bit. That was a gnarly training run up over the Fan, slipping over, blowing over, snow, ice, wind, gale force winds, sunshine. It's gonna be an awesome day. So that's it for that run. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.